he went to Tehran, where he also played Shahnai. He got also name, fame and reputation there. He was also liked by there. He was also appreciated by the audience there. Really, it was his quality in the field of Shahnai Vadak. And on the basis of his quality that he achieved name, fame and reputation all over the world. Thereafter, he came to India. He settled in Banaras. He wanted to remain in Banaras. And he was invited from place to place to play the Shahnai Vadak. Wherever he went, he was liked by the people as he was showing his superb quality in the field of Shahnai Vadak. Really, he was a man of great quality. He was a man of the superb quality in the field of Shahnai, whose name was Bismillah Khan. Later on, he was given the title in Tehran, Ustad Bismillah Khan. He was known as Ustad Bismillah Khan, and he was liked by everyone. Thereafter, he started doing work in the field of film. He showed her his importance in 2 movies. He was in the filmy world for some years, but he did not like to continue in that very artificial age. He discontinued there. He did not like the filmy world. He was a man of good attitude. He was a man of good qualities. He did not like to remain in the world of the filmy world. And again he came to Banaras. His association was deeply related to Banaras. He was even appreciated by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He liked him. He listened to his Shahnai. He appreciated him, and he showed his good attitude to him as he did a great work in the field of the Shahnai Vadak. Really, Bismillah Khan left an indelible mark on the sensibility of the listeners of the music. The chapter, the part 2nd, the sound of the music, describes life of Bismillah Khan, who played Shahnai Vadak. He showed his good quality everywhere. He showed his importance everywhere. He did hard work. He did good practice, and thereafter he improved his name in the field of Shahnai Vadak. Banaras, that is one of the holiest places in India. That is one of the religious places in India. People of every state like to go to the Banaras. Banaras is situated on the bank of the Ganga. The Ganga river flows beside the Banaras, and really there is a good temple in the Banaras that is called Vishwanath Temple. It is also a holy place. It means it is no exaggeration to say that Banaras is a very holy place, and in that holy place Bismillah Khan wanted to live there. He lived there, he remained there, he did their practice, he developed his art, he developed his attitude, and really he got name, fame and reputation on the basis of Shahnai Vadak, and really India got name, fame and reputation on the basis of Sahnai Badak played by Bismillah Khan. Really, Bismillah Khan also improved the importance of name, fame and reputation of India in the world. Students, literature is taught. Literature is the mirror of the society. It draws our attention on every aspect of the society. Today and day before yesterday, the sound of music has been taught. In the first part, it was taught that there was a girl whose name was Ilvin Glenine. That girl was a very good girl. She lost her deep capacity, but she did not lose her patience. She was discouraged by her teacher, but she did not care for it at all. She continued her practice and she made her body sensible, and further she played near about different kinds of instruments in her life. I have taught Bismillah Khan the sound of the music, the part 2. Bismillah Khan was a great man. He was born in Dumrao in Bihar. He settled in Banaras. He went to USA. He went to Tehran. He was invited on the Red Fort. He played Sahnai there. Wherever he went, he got his name, fame and reputation. Practice actually made him great, and he was a man of high attitude, especially in the field of Sahnai Badak. And he made his association with Banaras. He wanted to remain in Banaras, and Banaras gave him the great quality in the field of Sahnai. Sahnai, really, it is played on the occasion of the matrimony, on the occasion of the holy purposes. People do like to hear, and especially women folk prefer to listen to the songs of Sahnai. And Bismillah Khan created his new name, fame and reputation, and he gave a new direction to that very good quality in the field of Sahnai Badak. Really, he was a man who showed the world that one can do everything if one wants. And you are the students of class 9th, you have to learn a lot of things from literature. Literature always illuminates to follow the path of reality in life, to follow the path of eminence in life, to follow the path of good quality in life. All the good men teach us good qualities. Here in the field of music, there are two personalities which have been described. The first personality is Eveline Glenine, and the second personality is Bismillah Khan. And both personalities show how one can achieve the goal of life. Hope is life, action is life, work is life. Work should be done honestly. Work should be maintained in a right way. Work should be improved. Quality should be improved. Honesty must be achieved. These are the things which make us good and great in our life. Life is to work, but not to depend. Life is the name of action. Life is the name of practice. Life is the name of good attitude. Life is the name of reality. Life is the name of honesty. These are the things which we learn from the life of Bismillah Khan. Really, he was born in Bihar. He was born at Dumrao. Thereafter, he left that place He settled in Banaras. He was guided by his ancestors, it means grandfather, and thereafter he adopted his work of Sahanai music, and he went near about many countries such as Tehran, USA and other countries also. He was given opportunity to settle there, but he did not like to remain there. In this context, I do want to tell, now many of the persons, many of the boys and girls, they achieve good quality in India and they go to settle in other country. They go to foreign to settle there. It is called brain drain. But that very Bismillah Khan did practice in India, he got improvement in India and he wanted to remain in India. He did not like to leave other countries of the world. By one of his students, he was given opportunity to settle there. He did not like to remain in USA. It was his greatness, it was his quality, it was his devotion for the sake of the country where he was born. This is the lesson that we learn from the life of that very Bismillah Khan. Dear students, I do want to tell you, you have to pay your proper attention to your work. No, and thereafter you have to improve your quality, you have to improve your good attitude, and after it you try your best to serve your mother India, you serve your mother language, you serve your mother tongue. There are many who are born in India and they go to settle in the other countries of the world. It's not a good quality. Here the lesson must be taken from the life of Bismillah Khan. He did not prefer to settle in the other countries of the world. Goodness should be always improved. Goodness should be always adopted. Goodness should be always learned. Goodness lies in honesty. Goodness lies in good practice. Goodness lies in work. Goodness lies in serving the downtrodden of the society, and goodness like to do work in favor of the millions and millions of people of our society. Goodness is a quality that helps us to improve the society, and these type of things which we learn in the field of music from the life of that very Bismillah Khan. So there are many things that can be learned and which can be improved, and all these things show us how to settle and how to improve qualities in life. People are adored in the society on the basis of good qualities. Every good man, every great man is respected in our society on the basis of honesty, on the basis of labor, on the basis of continuous practice, on the basis of hard work. It is told hard labor never goes in vain. So it is not only a lesson that you can learn for your classwork and for your examination. It is a lesson that can be learned to apply in your life. Life is the process of learning. Life is the name of development. Life is the name of honesty. Life is the name of work. Where there is work, there is life. Where there is honesty, there is respect, there is reverence. These are the things that are learned from this life of Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan was born in a simple family. He was born in Bihar in 1916, and from there he went to Banaras. It means the name of Banaras got respect on the basis of Bismillah Khan, and the place where he lived was also liked by him throughout of his life. It was his good quality. Dear students, I have taught the sound of the music part 1, the sound of the music part 2. And here I do want to tell you that you have to go through the self-study, you have to go through the practice, and thereafter you have to learn how to improve your idea. At the last of the chapter there are many questions that are given, and every question must be done in favor of practice. Always I tell you, practice makes the man perfect. You learn how to do answer of given questions that are given at the last of the topic. And you have to also learn the hard words, and more than all these things, you have to learn good quality from the life of great men, women from the life of the great persons in our life. It should be our aims and objectives. Students, today you are students, tomorrow you have to carry on the responsibility in your life. For carrying on responsibility in your life, you have to learn how to improve your all good qualities. That is why literature is taught, and when literature is taught, it becomes your duty to learn a valuable lessons. In the field of music, I have taught the chapter, the sound of the music part 1, the sound of the music part 2. In the sound of the music, the life of Galvin was described, has been described. In course of describing, I have told he was discouraged by the teacher, he did not mind. He did good practice in her life, and on the basis of her practice, she got her name to be written in the golden pages of the history in the music. In the same way, when it is seen in the life of Bismillah Khan, he showed his good quality on the basis of his honest labor, hard labor that he did throughout in his life, and he became one of the greatest leading Sahnai Badak in his life. Thank you, my dear students. This is the chapter known as the sound of the music part 1 and part 2 have been taught, and you have to learn it very systematically, along with how to answer of given questions that are at the last of the chapter. Thank you, my dear students.